the job done. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Pilchard and Bird, Travis and Spud, playing together like good friends should. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder.
Will we ever find the golden hammer, Scrambler? It's been missing for so long.
Yeah, hidden all those years ago by Brickbeard the pirate.
No one will ever find me golden hammer. Ha ha!
We will find it and give it to Bob as a surprise.
But all we've got is Brickbeard's clue, a picture of a boat.
Well, let's start at the harbour. That's where all the boats are.
Right, team. Today we're moving the oldest ship in Fixham.
We're putting it on a platform on land. So come on, let's go!
OK, team. First, we need a flat piece of land to build on. That's your job, Roley. Roley?
Roley and a seagull on the seashore. When we sing, we go. I'd sing with you all day, Mrs. Seagull, but I'm helping to move this ship. Mrs. Seagull, what is it? I'll help you.
Roley!
Dizzy! You scared her off.
Bob needs you.
I'll be back as soon as I can, Mrs. Seagull!
Which boat first, Scrambler?
I don't know, Spud. We'll just have to keep looking till we find the golden hammer.
Right, Roley. I need you to flatten off this patch of land while we start on the platform.
OK, Bob.
Can we build it?
Yes, we can!
Oh, yeah, I think so.
Mrs. Seagull! Oh, can I go and see my friend, Mrs. Seagull, Bob? She's on the ship.
Not yet, Roley. We're pulling the ship out of the water next.
But you can go on board when it's up on its platform.
Oh, your friend isn't very friendly, Roley.
What's the matter, Mrs. Seagull? I really need to find out what's wrong with her.
We should ask Bob what to do.
No, Dizzy. She asked me to help.
OK, time to get the ship up onto the platform.
Oh, now can I go on board?
Soon, Roley. First, we've got to make it safe, with props on either side.
Let's go and fetch them.
Oh.
Now what, Scrambler? We've checked all the boats. Except this one.
Hey, what's that?
Crossed hammers.
Brickbeard's sign! This must be his ship, the Bonnie Beard.
The golden hammer must be here.
Oh, Bob, Wendy, are you putting the props up now?
Yes, Roley.
But they'll have to be concreted in to make sure they're safe.
Oh, man.
Are we going to concrete
Dizzy, but we've forgotten the cement. Back soon.
Hey! The props are up! I can go on board!
No! Roley, wait!
It's not safe yet!
Hey, the ship's not tipping over. It must be okay.
Let's find the golden hammer!
Mrs. Seagull!
Uh-oh, what was that?
Whoa! The ship is moving!
Roley and Spud and Scrambler went on board the ship!
What? But it's not safe.
We've got to turn the ship round.
But we can't go anywhere with the sails all wrapped up.
I'm really sorry. If I'd just asked Bob for help, none of this would have ever happened. Oh! I can't ask Bob for help now, but I can ask Mrs. Seagull.
Roley, how's a seagull going to help turn this huge ship around?
She's opening the sails. Well done, Roley.
Actually, it's well done, Mrs. Seagull.
Oh, thank goodness you're safe.
But what were you doing?
I'm really sorry, Bob. I was trying to help Mrs. Seagull, but I should have told you. Please, Bob, will you help me help Mrs. Seagull?
Of course, Roley. Let's have a look. A nest? No wonder you got upset when we moved the ship. You were trying to protect your eggs.
Ah!
And there's something else in here, too.
Ah!
That's what we were looking for.
What's inside?
Something totally wicked. We'll show you tonight.
Okay. Now, let's get this ship moved. It's almost time for the grand opening. Whew. Seeing Dickie dressed up, it's almost like Brickbeard was real.
He was real. He built Fix'em.
Yeah, and he left something behind.
And we found it for you, Bob.
For me? The Golden Hammer. I thought it was just a story. I can't believe you two have found this for me, my very own Golden Hammer.
Of course we have, Bob.
You're not just any old builder. You're the best.